Welcome to the Monkey Channel. Here we study and analyze monkeys. We have a monkey in the premises. Dear wild monkey. Monkeys have brains so advanced that many scientific studies that show they can now play solitaire. Oh, the monkey is now playing solitaire. As you can see, the monkey is heavily in thought here. What move will the monkey make? Monkeys' brains have been studied over generations, especially the gorillas. As we do not know what kind of specific type of monkey this is, we know that it has a very unique brain and a very unique posture. This monkey did not make a good move. He's very frustrated. This monkey also knows how to read, but it appears he's reading upside down. We seem to be seeing that he enjoys what he's reading. I wonder if we'll see the monkey eat. The monkey really enjoys the book. Now he's eating metal utensils. Maybe he's just sharpening his teeth. The monkey spits into a glass. And he goes back to his solitaire game. Careful to make sure that the monkey does not see us, which is why we have hidden behind this glass. The monkey does see us. He might... Oh no! The monkey has seen us. I'm still under the glass. The monkey appears to be kissing the glass. He's waiting for me to come out, biding his time. How will I escape this one? As you can see, there's a thick coat of fog where the monkey's mouth is. The monkey does not suspect. He walks around like a dinosaur. Why he looks like a dinosaur? Nobody knows. The monkey is now seen scratching his butt and sniffing his own shit. He now eats the shit for nutritional balance. Time for the monkey. The monkey just dug out some more shit. He now hops along, shit ass and all, on his way. We're hiding behind a wall. The monkey's very fucking terrifying. Come in peace, monkey. The monkey is touching my phone, and he's now taking over my phone. The monkey's now filming me. I'm not sure what is going on. As you can tell, the monkey's hands are very human-like. This is a feature that not many creatures have. The monkey just shook my hand. I'm gonna attempt to take my phone back from the monkey. Hopefully the monkey will go back to his habitat so we can see where he lives. We are following the monkey into his home. monkey appears to be wanting to sleep. He now appears to be picking things out of his tongue. This is the monkey's natural sleeping position. The monkey is now seen covering up with a blanket. I think we should help the monkey. The monkey has begun to get a little aggressive. Maybe I should not touch the monkey's blanket. The monkey is now holding his blanket. What happens if we try to steal monkey's blanket? Monkey! I just survived a savage monkey attack. I don't know if I'll survive another.